Patay na, walang sunod.
Wow!
Grabe, bad na natin guys. Tara guys, play tayo ng tournament ulit guys. Play special tayo. Then play tournament. Dito tayo sa Singapore Dragon. Yan. So, yung price niya is pag nanalo ka ng tournament is 60,000 chips. Then, yung entry fee niya is 10,000. Entry fee. Dapat ipanalo natin ito guys. Singapore Dragon. Uy, huwag ka masulat sa. Uy, shoes. Yan. Singapore Dragon guys. Kada tira mo, kailangan mong i-point yung ako i-break to guys eh. Uy, mga. Ay, hindi natamaan. Aray, huwag ka mas-scratch lang. Dandahan natin guys. Patay na, walang sunod. Hey.
Wow!
Grabe, bad na natin guys. Galing ah. Oo. Hindi ko rin inaasahan yung bad na natin guys.